Hi there, School of Rock. I'm just going to give you an example of those 10 different drumming patterns we are trying to master in our drumming unit. So let's talk about how we count it. The hi-hat basically keeps going every quaver or eighth note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So if I start the first pattern, I think to myself, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and kick and snare and kick and snare. Second time round. Third. Fourth time. Fifth time. Okay, that's the first pattern. But really, I should probably, until I'm really good at it, start super slow. Like pattern 2, I'll do really slow, like 3 and 4 and kick and snare and kick, then double snare. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Pattern number 3, it's got a double snare on beat 2. I think there's Mr. Hunt in the background. Say hi to Mr. Hunt, everyone. Here we go. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go from number 4. Look closely at the pattern. There's a double kick on beat 3. So you have to kick on 3 and. Alright, here we go. Pattern number 4. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1